Imagine a home that feels larger and more inviting, all thanks to a simple design change, adding 4 extra feet of width. This seemingly small adjustment can make a world of difference, especially in terrace homes where space is often limited. These extra feet can transform cramped and dark spaces into airy and well-lit havens. This is the magic that unfolds at Mio Spring, a new development that reimagines terrace home living. Traditional terrace homes, while charming, often come with inherent spatial challenges. Narrow walkways can make moving furniture a nightmare, while small windows limit natural light, leaving rooms feeling gloomy and confined. Limited airflow further compounds these issues, resulting in stuffy interiors that lack a sense of freshness. These limitations can impact the quality of life for homeowners. It can feel like the walls are closing in, making relaxation and enjoyment difficult. Mio Spring addresses these common terrace home issues with a simple yet ingenious solution, adding 4 feet of width to the standard design. This extra space might seem insignificant on paper, but in reality, it makes a world of difference. Suddenly, narrow walkways become graceful corridors, and cramped rooms transform into spacious havens. Natural light floods in through larger windows, breathing life into every corner. The result? A home that feels significantly larger and more welcoming. The impact of these extra 4 feet is immediately apparent upon entering a Mio Spring home. The entrance foyer, often an afterthought in traditional terrace homes, transforms into a grand welcoming space. There's ample room for a console table to display cherished items or a comfortable bench to slip on shoes. No more squeezing past family members or struggling to maneuver luggage, just a smooth and effortless transition from the outside world into the comfort of home. Let there be light. One of the most striking differences between Mio Spring and traditional terrace homes is the abundance of natural light. Larger windows, strategically placed to maximize sunlight, flood the interiors with warmth and cheer. This not only brightens up the space but also reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day, promoting energy efficiency. Additionally, layered lighting techniques, combining ambient, task, and accent lighting, create a warm and inviting ambiance in the evenings. Living large. The additional 4 feet are perhaps most impactful in the living and dining areas, the heart of any home. These spaces are designed for both functionality and flexibility. The extra width allows for various furniture arrangements, accommodating families of all sizes. Whether hosting a dinner party or enjoying a quiet evening in, the open-plan layout encourages interaction and creates a sense of togetherness. Mio Spring, where green living thrives. Beyond the innovative design of its homes, Mio Spring offers a holistic living experience. Nestled within the vibrant Gamuda Cove township, residents enjoy access to lush green spaces, promoting an active and healthy lifestyle. The township is committed to sustainability, incorporating eco-friendly features like rainwater harvesting systems and solar panels. Living in Mio Spring means embracing a greener future without compromising on comfort or style. Space to breathe, space to live. In a world that often feels crowded and chaotic, Mio Spring offers a breath of fresh air. The innovative design of these terrace homes, enhanced by the ingenious addition of 4 feet, proves that small changes can have a significant impact. By embracing natural light, open-plan layouts, and a connection to nature, Mio Spring redefines modern terrace living, providing residents with a sanctuary to relax, recharge, and truly thrive. Consider these design elements when thinking about your own home. You deserve a space that feels as good as it looks.